Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Pictory.AI. It's a fantastic platform and we're going to get into the meat of it. So let's go. So we're on the Pictory.AI homepage and you go up to the top and you will tap on free trial or log in if you already have an account, and you will end up on this page. Now, what we're going to explore today is the script to video, which is the very first option. However, they do also offer the article to video, where you can paste the URL of the article. You can also edit a video using text, which is absolutely fantastic, and then visuals to video, which allows you to drag and drop files or browse your computer for images and video files. So we're going to go and tap on proceed with the script to video. And right over here, you can now enter a name for your video, which you can change at a later stage. And you can also go ahead and enter your script over here. So I've got a script over here, and my name is going to be a traditional butter chicken curry. So once we've done this, you can go ahead over to the right hand side and you actually have some scene settings. All right, so there's auto visual selection, so we're going to leave that on because that's the reason we are here. And then we're also going to use the auto highlight keywords, and we're going to create new scenes on either sentence breaks or line breaks. All right, so we're going to use both because this creates some dynamic. Once we're done here, we're going to go ahead and tap on proceed. Now, of course, this can take some time, so go ahead, make yourself a cup of coffee and come back and we'll be ready to go. So as you can see now, my script has been turned into a video with visuals, and we can now go ahead and customize this. So on the left hand side, you'll see your story, and this is now in story view. You can see over on the left hand side, you will now have each one of your sentences as well as your paragraph. So you can see down over here as you scroll, here's everything that you need to know. On the right hand side is actually the preview of your video. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to cancel that, and over here you can see that we have parts of our script within this video. Now, each one of these scenes pairs up with each one of these blocks on the left hand side. Now, what the nice thing is about this is you can actually go ahead and change everything about it. So on the left hand side in your toolbar, we're going to tap on visuals, and here we can go ahead and see all of our visuals. We can now change what we're physically seeing here. So as you see, it says presentation. It's currently using this one here, and what we're going to do is we're going to maybe change it to something like this. Within a few seconds, it will have changed that intro or that scene, and now you can see that at the bottom there is the text, which is your script, and you can actually customize that too. So once you click on it, you can see you can change the font, you can change the size, and a bunch of other editing tools like you would see on other apps that you've used previously. You can also change what is actually being said just by going ahead and tapping on that text box again, and you can actually edit the text straight from here. Alright, if you click away, you'll be out of that editing format. So as you go here on the bottom, you can scroll through all of your scenes and you can actually see what each scene entails. And of course, if you're going back to story, you can see all of your script and make sure that it all lines up and all syncs up with the visuals, and all the visuals make sense according to what has been said in the script. The next thing we can take care of is the audio, and on the left hand side we're going to tap on audio. We can now add background music, and it'll also suggest background music according to the type of video content you are making and what your script is based on. You can change the type of music here. You can also go ahead to voiceover at the top over here, and you can actually create an AI voice for your videos with your script. All you need to do is find a voice that you would like, and this is just down to what you would prefer and what matches the style of your video, and it'll now be applied to your video. If you'd like to voice over your own videos, you can go up to My Uploads, and you can actually upload your own recording of your voiceover, and you can go ahead and you can add it to your video. There is an AI auto sync which will match this audio to your video. So if you are not having to take pauses and follow your script according to the visuals, it'll do all of this for you. You can also go down now to styles, and you can change the overall style of your video. And now you can see your style library as well as your styles that you've maybe uploaded. And then we have the text tab where you can go ahead and add additional text boxes to your actual video. If you have a branding kit that you would like to go ahead and create here on Pictory.AI, you can just click on the create a brand, and here you will be able to create everything about your brand, including intros and outros. So if we go ahead here, you can see there's a brand name, logo, colors, and fonts. And this is great when creating multiple videos. So what will happen is all of your videos will look uniform, and that is fantastic. And there you go. Once you are sort of done with the creation process, you're going to go over to the right hand side of your screen, and you can now tap on preview to preview your video in full screen. And you can also, of course, go ahead and click on download. Now there are a few steps here. Now, as you can see, the first step is processing each one of your scenes. So this will take a while. And then the second step is generating the actual video, and you can go ahead and have this run in the background while you continue to create. Now, if this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, share this video with a friend, and go ahead and create, my people. Peace out.